Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been running this AEG grill for a couple years now. It's got the metal casing on the front. I like it as nice and clean, but what I want to show you today is American Modified sent me this grill. These are the instructions here. I like how it came in a plastic guide and all it is just one page, that's it. And I also like how the grill also came in fully protected cover. I did take it out of the box already. It's definitely a plus for shipping. So changing out the grill is one of the biggest highlights of a vehicle. It's the biggest thing you will notice, and it's one of the first things that I change out when I get a new vehicle. For this truck in particular, 2016 F350, all you're gonna need is this guy right here and a 10 millimeter. And I like this little guy here. It comes out really fast. So it's just one bolt, and you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these guys right here that I'm missing one. Most likely most vehicles will be missing one because they're very easy to lose. But you know, they're just like anchors from a wall. With those pieces taken off the top, all you're gonna do is bend this back and then pull this, and the clips will just come right off, just like that. Go. I've taken off quite a few of these off and on because I can't take off my headlights unless I take the grill off, and I've never broken one of these before. You can see that it has metal clips in here. Now the new grill comes with these metal clips, but if it does not, they're very easy to buy, and then it just connects right onto the plastic right there. So to be able to get these off, and it's probably better to do it without your fingers, but that's how it is. So I'm going to take these ones off because the new one comes with it. Just like that. It's actually different than I thought. Front of it. Okay. So here's the clips here. Already come with it. Here's the wiring. It's going to be for the lights. All you do is match it up. What you can do is just match those clips up with a hole and just push in. And you'll hear it snap. Actually, it looks pretty cool. The only thing is that my bumper's so old that the black doesn't match because this is so pretty and clean. It's almost like I want to spray paint the whole thing the same color. Actually, I thought these were going to be a frosted flat light, but it actually looks like a very high quality glass that matches the beams. All right, so here's how it looks on. All I did was I just took the wire and I just hooked it up to my battery over there on the passenger side. In order for me to connect properly, it says right here on the instructions, to the headlight housing, I have to be able to take my lights out. I can't just reach back there. What I like too is I bet you can probably take it out and put different color lights in there. I'm not sure, but that could also be a possibility. Just hooked it up, black to black, red to red wire, and the lights turned on. Alright guys, and this is how it looks at night. Just wanted to show you, give you guys a couple shots. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And you can check Diesel MXTT for a discount code.